Andy! Andy!
Oh. What the fuck? Ow. Ow, my fucking head hurts. What the fuck?
Whoa! What happened here?
How was last night? Look at the house.
What happened last night?
Can't remember. I don't even know what the hell happened, Bree.
Oh my god, what's this?
Brittany, what the hell's going on? I will destroy you. I'm getting really scared.
Check your phone to see if anybody texted you about anything that happened last night. I got a text.
I did too.